this video is to do with the history of ternary form, and they can trace it back to some of the early chants in the early Christian church. So here's one called Kyrie eleison, Christe eleison, and here is the A section. B section. A section. And then there's a piece called Faute d'argent, The Lack of Money by Josquin de Prez, which was, I think, one of Martin Luther's favorite composers. Observes the principle of ternary design, as do many other 1500s chansons. The arias are called da capo arias from the 17th century and the early 18th century. That would be the 16 and 1700s. And they have an A section and a B section and then a return of the A section. And lots of times people will do ornamentation on the return of the A section. And then in the Baroque suites, which you'll be learning about later, Allemand, Courant, Sarabande, a lot of the dances will have two dances of the same name, and you're supposed to play like Bourrée 1, Bourrée 2, and then go back to Bourrée 1, or Minuet 1, Minuet 2, and then play Minuet 1 again. When you get to the classical period, you've got the minuet and trio sections of the symphonies, and it goes minuet, trio, minuet. So that's ABA form. And then a lot of character pieces by the Romantic composers like Schubert and Schumann, Mendelssohn, Chopin, Brahms, and so forth and so on, Debussy and Bartok a little bit later, do use the ABA form. And then a lot of more closer to the modern time pop songs use a type of ABA form. They might go AABA, A prime A, A prime B A, AAB A prime, and so forth and so on. A prime B, A double prime. And the B section is often called the bridge. The 32-bar chorus in ternary design was more prevalent in the popular music of the first half of the 20th century. But now, memory from Katz shows a variation on the form A prime, B, A prime. So here's A. Here's A prime. Woohoo! E minor over F. Really? I forgot to look. Yeah, the B section was over every street lamp. The minor section, E, that's the B. And then you have A prime coming here. So I would read the summary on your own and try listening to these pieces, even if you have to wait till the summer to do it. And I will do some of these assignments here in a minute also.